Now, one last thing about publishing and unpublishing groups and pages. Now, this check mark right here, and if we go into edit, this checkbox right here, which says published, means only one thing: whether this thing appears visible or not. So if I'm to unpublish it, which is to turn off this thing, and go back to Birchwood Art Gallery and refresh, watch this link here, first group, it disappears. So it's not published anymore, and for that reason people can no longer see it. So let's go ahead and publish it back and see the same thing with pages. Here are the two check marks, and if we're going to go inside to edit the page, we have the same thing. We have this little checkbox here. That's for publishing or unpublishing it as well. So let's go ahead to pages and let's just unpublish. Actually, let's go see here first. So I'm going to go to, or I'm going to refresh, go to first group. Now that we published the group back, we have two pages, About Us and Our Mission. Okay, so now that we published our first group back, we have About Us and Our Mission, right? Now let's see what happens here. From groups, so that we are in here, we're going to go back to pages. And see these check marks here? These are the same check marks that mean whether to publish or unpublish. Green with a check mark means published. Yellow with an X means not published. Okay, so I'm just going to toggle it back. If we go inside the edit mode, we also have this little checkbox here which says whether it's published or not. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to page list, and what we're going to do next is I'm going to unpublish one of these things. So we have an X there, and remember, before both of these things were published, everything was fine. I'm just going to reload this page and see what happens. Well, we just have this page now and no other links. So that's basically all there is to it. I'm going to publish this page back, and what we see now is both pages are going to come back. Say what is going to happen if I unpublish both of them? So I'm just going to unpublish this one and unpublish this one. And then if I'm going to go to and reload this page, it is going to say, give me an error, this group is empty. So make sure to have something inside your group when you're setting up your thing, because otherwise it's basically just going to give people that are visiting your profile an error.